I'm going to show you how to create an event using GameDay. So I'm assuming that you're already logged in. You're on the dashboard, and as you can see, we haven't got any games at the moment. Before we can create games, we need to create a player pool. So we had two player pools. We select football and create football pool 1. So our pool is created, but no players have been added. So we can add manually players one by one by providing the email address and the name. Other option is to use the bulk insertion to insert them in bulk. And basically, if you copy paste the list of addresses from an existing email, and then you paste it here, like so. I'm adding player 1, player 2, 3, and 4, and press import, and all my 4 players have been imported. Now that the players have been added, we can assign skill levels for each one of them. So I'm going to do this very quickly for each player. Saved. Player 2. Save. And then moving on to player 4. Player 3, sorry. Save. And now player 4. Save. So now that the pool is created, we can move back to the dashboard and create a new game. Press new game, select the type of sports, and give it a title, pitch, address 1. I'm going through all these fields very quickly just to show exactly how the process works. So let's assume the game will start at 10 a.m. This field is to specify how many days before the game the system will automatically send the email notification to all the players in the pool. Here, given that I only have 4 players, I will select 4, and the number of teams is 2. So we could have more than 2 teams. I select the pool that I've just created, and here the recurrence of the game could be one time, weekly or monthly. Let's say monthly with end date on 31st of December this year, create match. So now the system will generate all the games up to the 31st of May, 31st of December. So now we have our game. So if I go back to the dashboard, I can see all the games that have been generated, and this is the first game. And rather than wait for the automatic invitation email, I can send it manually by pressing this button. I press this button, and all the players in the pool will be notified by email. So I'm going to open the email for one of the players. Here's the email I received. So, hey, player 1, you've been invited to the football match. And here you have the details, and you can confirm by simply clicking on this button. Let's do it. You're in, and then you will receive a confirmation email. indicating that, confirming basically that you have been confirmed for this game, and you have the option to cancel if you need. So let's go back now to the dashboard. So if we go to the dashboard, I select the next game. You can see that you have the list of players here and the status. And you can see that player one has confirmed that he's going to join the game. And then you can follow the status um, until you have all the players that have approved. If you go to manage team, you can manually confirm or cancel or remove players. So let's confirm all of them. So now all 4 players have confirmed. We can generate our teams. So let's use the auto-generate team. And this auto-generate is designed in order to build even teams based on the skills we have entered earlier when creating the pool. That's it, we are done. And last step is to confirm the team and send the confirmation email to all the members of the pool. Actually, before that, you can still edit the teams at this level. So let's confirm we're happy with the teams as they are. Let's confirm. Yeah, so game confirm, announcement sent to all players. Let me check again the email and confirm. There's the email confirmation, final squad confirmed, game 1, and you receive details of the game again and the team structure.